everyone, this is Phyllis and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for stopping by. And I ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell, and then select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. On my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. In today's video, it's a quick video. I'm sharing with you how I created a DIY kitchen message mail center in my sister's home. Continue watching to see how I put this together. Now let's get started. This is my sister's kitchen, and you can see the peel and stick wallpaper that is on the side of the cabinet is leftover paper that I used in her living room in her hutch. I'll leave a link to the description box below of how I use that in the hutch. This is a key mail holder that she purchased on the clearance rack from Kohl's, and I'll be putting that on the side. I've already put the screws in the side of the cabinet for me to hang everything that I'm going to be using. Okay, the next thing that I'll be using or hanging is a picture frame that she also purchased from Kohl's. And later on, we'll either put some kind of wording in there or a picture related to a coastal feel, because her home is set on the style of eclectic coastal gallery is what she calls it. I get the feel of a coastal beach bungalow when I'm in it. But I'll be hanging this above the key mail holder. And again, later on, we'll put a picture or some kind of saying inside the frame. This picture frame was something she already had. We took the picture out. The frame used to be black, and I gave it that whitewash paint technique, the same technique that I did on her hutch in her living room. And we just left the glass, and she purchased what you see here. What I'm erasing is a dry erase marker. She got it from the Dollar Tree. The tip of it has a small eraser, and on the other side of the marker is a magnetic piece where it can actually sit on the mail part of the key holder. You can see the metal that's on the mail center. That's actually magnetic, and she just sits the marker on that. Again, this is a dry erase marker, and she purchased it from the Dollar Tree. These succulents she also purchased from Kohl's, and they were on clearance for I think 50 or 75 cents each. You can also find these succulents at the Dollar Tree, which are $1 a piece. And then I also take this green vase that she got from Goodwill some time ago, and I'm just adding these pieces as decor pieces on top of the mail center. Adding her keys and her mail, and I've completed the mail center, I believe. Yes. Here I'm just adding the broom. I put a hook also on the wall, and then I'm going to put her stool back in place because her seating area in her kitchen, her bar or counter area, only fits 2 of these stools that she already had. And that is the completion of her message mail center area.
That's good.
Remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. Make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.